WhatsApp isn't just for simple text chats. On your iPhone running iOS 26, you can create and send all kinds of messages photos, videos, documents, polls, events, even AI generated images. In this guide, I'll walk you through each type step by step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed into your account. From the Chats tab, tap the plus icon at the top right corner to start a new message thread. Then choose your contact. Once inside the chat, tap the plus sign next to the text field. This opens a sub-menu of icons for different types of messages you can send. Let's go through them. If you want to send saved photos, tap Photos. Pick one or multiple images from your gallery, add a caption, and tap Send. Perfect for sharing memories, memes, or quick snapshots. To capture something on the spot, tap Camera. Take a photo or record a video. Add edits or filters, then tap Send. Great for real-time updates, like showing what you're cooking or recording a short greeting. You can also share your location, tap Location, grant permission, and send your current spot. This is especially helpful when meeting up with friends or letting family know you've arrived safely. Next is Contact. Tap it. Select someone from your list, tap Next, then Send. This saves time instead of typing numbers out manually. For school or work, you may need to share a document. Tap Document. Choose the file from your Files app, tap Open, and then Send. You can send PDFs, Word files, or presentations directly inside WhatsApp. WhatsApp also lets you create polls. Tap Poll, type your question, add multiple choices, and tap Send. This is perfect in group chats, like deciding on a weekend plan or choosing where to eat. Another useful option is Events. Tap Event, add details like title, time, and description, then tap Send. Members of the chat can then see and save it straight to their calendars. One of the newest features is AI Images. Tap AI Images, enter a description or use a suggested idea. Generate an image, customize it, then tap Send. It's a creative way to make conversations fun. And of course, you can still send voice messages by holding the microphone icon at the bottom right corner, or use stickers by tapping the sticker icon next to the text field. Stickers are perfect when words just aren't enough. Now here's a pro tip. You can actually combine some of these features for better communication. For example, if you're planning a party, you can create a poll to let friends vote on the theme, then send an event invite with the confirmed date and time. Or if you're working on a project, you can share a document for reference and follow it up with a quick voice message to explain the details. So to recap, with WhatsApp and iOS 26, you can send more than just text. You've got photos, videos, location, contacts, documents, polls, events, AI images, voice messages, and stickers, all in one place. And that's it. If this video helped you explore WhatsApp beyond simple texting, give it a like. And check out my other iOS 26 tutorials to unlock even more messaging features on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.